Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to turn on game mode on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. So to turn on game mode, as a first step you need to make sure that your phone is updated to the iOS 18 or later. To check this you can go in settings, find general section, and then tap on software update. Here you'll be able to see any new updates, update your device, and by going in About section you can check your iOS version. So, if you're updated to the iOS 18, then to turn on game mode, all you have to do is to open any game first, and now you should see this marking game mode on. Let me show you it again. I'm gonna close the game and open it again. And now on top, game mode marking should appear. Great. Also, you can check this if you just swipe down from top right corner to trigger control center. And on the top of the screen, you should see the name of your game with the marking game mode. So you can tap it, and from here either turn on or off. So now it is disabled because we can see status off and we can see that icon is gray, but by tapping it once we'll turn it on. And when it's on, background activity is reduced to optimize the performance of this game. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.